Hey guys, I thought I'd show how I plumbed this pool in. This is just an ordinary above ground filter, sand filter, and 1.5 horsepower pump. And I used 1.5-inch line here, come up and then switched over to a hose to go into the sand filter, come out to here with the 1.5-inch hose. When I had to put them on, I had to boil the ends and stuff to get them more flexible so they would go on and everything. But simple, I put a cut off right there, and I didn't measure any of this plumbing. I just went as I went. So like I said, when this hose ended right here, I put me an elbow on and started my line. I could have done a lot better. Put everything up against the wall. Clamped everything down, but this, I just did it this way. I got some play in it and stuff like that. So there's a little bird right there. It's building a nest. There it went in my waterfall. But anyway, so the 1.5-inch line, and this goes up to my waterfall and stuff, and we'll show you that. So I'll cut off 1.5 inches. Here's another cut off here, and then there's the, I guess, the return to the pool, 1.5 inches. And like I said, I could have done a lot neater job, but I had to see somewhere, I guess it was right in here, I had a water line bust, and I had to replace it. And it's nice to have a little bit of play in this line. So, but you can see just a simple job, simple plumbing job, nothing special. Like I said, and then this waterfall right here, if you hadn't put it in, it'd just been a straight shot over, just a straight line. But we'll turn this on and I'll show you what it looks like. If I can get it on. Hang on here. There we go. And then we'll cut this off. She should start coming on. See that? Got one little old section right there I got to clean out. You can see that's just a spillway waterfall. But I just, like I said, I was just wanting to show everybody the plumbing. It's so simple, guys. Anybody can do it. And like I said, if you don't put this waterfall in here, this spillway, then it's just a straight shot. I mean, you can have the plumbing in a matter of an hour. This whole filter in a matter of an hour. So anyway, hope this encourages somebody out there to try it. Like I said, we've been going 6 years now with it, and we enjoy it. So everybody have a great day. Get out there and try it, guys.